In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate a HubSpot form into your WordPress site smoothly and efficiently. Whether you're gathering leads, collecting user feedback, or facilitating signups, embedding a HubSpot form onto your site is a valuable way to enhance user interaction. Before we start, please ensure you have access to both your HubSpot and WordPress accounts, as we'll need to work within both platforms. Firstly, let's dive into your HubSpot account. Once logged in, direct your attention to the main menu. From there, you'll want to navigate to the Marketing section. Hover over or click on it to reveal the drop-down menu and select Lead Capture. Under Lead Capture, you'll find the Forms option. This is where all your previously created forms are housed and where you can also create new ones. If you already have a form that you want to use, simply select it from the list. If not, you have the option to create a new form tailored to your specific needs. Once you've selected or created your form, locate and click the Embed button. This action will generate an embed code for you. Now you'll see the embed code presented on your screen. It may look a bit daunting with its mixture of letters and symbols, but don't worry, it's simply the language used by web browsers to embed your HubSpot form into your site. Copy this code to your clipboard by highlighting it and using the copy function of your device or browser. Next, let's shift our focus to your WordPress dashboard. Once logged into WordPress, decide whether you want to add your form to a specific page or post. Navigate to the editor for the desired page or post where you wish to place your HubSpot form. Now, WordPress allows you to insert various types of content blocks. For our purpose, we'll be using an HTML block or widget. In the editor, add a new block and select the HTML option. This will give you a blank space specifically meant for HTML code. Paste the copied embed code into this HTML block. Make sure not to alter the code in any way, as this could cause issues with how the form displays or functions. After pasting, go ahead and save your changes. It may seem like a minor step, but it's crucial to ensure everything is updated. Once you've saved, it's a good idea to preview the page or post to ensure the form displays properly. Take a moment to not only check the appearance, but also try out the form's functionality by submitting a test entry. Confirming these elements will give you peace of mind that your form is ready for the world. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can easily embed a HubSpot form into your WordPress site. Feel free to revisit these instructions anytime to make embedding forms a seamless part of your site management routine. Thank you for watching, and good luck with all your online engagements.